Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing accounting services and property holding companies in Thailand. And to be clear, as I've stated in many other videos, property holding companies, companies that are holding property wherein there's a foreign national affiliated with the company, need to be very careful with those structures. It is not a foregone conclusion that A, you can get it set up, or that B, it's even legal. Because if it's deemed that that structure is basically being used to circumvent Thai law restricting foreign ownership of Thai land, the company can be dissolved, the land can be essentially taken back via the legal execution department. It's not a good deal. There are circumstances where it may be appropriate for there to be a holding company that owns a piece of property. Most of the time that I see that where it sort of overcomes the issues is where you've got an operational company wherein, and it usually involves spouses, foreign spouses of Thai nationals actively involved in working they're working together. It's like a shop house model. The bottom floor is like a store or a shop, and the top floors they live on, and there may be a corporate structure set up that allows the foreign national to have some level of control associated with that. That you may be able to get there, usually in the context of a marriage. But for the most part, you really need to be very, very leery of property holding companies in Thailand. Which brings us to the issue of accounting. And this is something not a lot of people think of when they're dealing with a holding company. And that is, look, there are accounting issues. Even for a minimal company that's not doing a lot, which again is another problem with a holding company, but leaving that aside, if you neglect the accounting, you could end up in a situation where you either have to pay tremendous amounts of fines or they could just dissolve the company. And yet again, now you're in a problem where you may lose the underlying property. So the thing to keep in mind if you're looking into this, and I urge you if you are, do not go into this cavalierly, because notwithstanding how it's presented on the internet, unfortunately, this is not something that should be done in just sort of a slapdash manner. If you're doing this, you have to be very precise. But something I don't think many people think of is accounting is a concern, and it's something that should be dealt with when you're dealing with not only a holding company, but any kind of company here in the Kingdom of Thailand.